Come here. Come here. You're on yourself. You free to go?
What'd I do?
What's your name?
I put myself over. Yes.
You got someone with ID on it?
No, my ID at the house. I'm stopping to grab a car seat for my cousin.
Okay, I need you to hang out over here. You're not free to go. All right.
What's wrong?
What's up? What's your real name? What's your birthday?
Here we go with the bullshit.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? For what, sir?
Put your hands behind your fucking back.
For what, sir? You hitting me! He hitting me, y'all!
Put your hands behind your back.
Help me! Hey, grab him off me!
Let me know if it's in corner. Put your hands behind your back.
My back. He just hit me in my hand.
It is on camera too. He just punched her in her face.
Damn. And then I pulled over. Y'all still turned y'all lights on. Can you grab my phone out the grass?
What do you got?
He's gonna be having no
What you got?
understanding with like human beings. Where's her phone at? Where's her phone
I'm
at?
just trying to sit on the curb, that's it.
Where's her phone?
Damn.
They said they were.
Can I see your phone right quick?
Send me a $500.
He on the air around the corner.
Edwards, and it's all related to the service there.
So what am I being detained for?
951 can also relay that information.
She got her phone. Let me see.
2015 Toyota Utility.
My car was parking off.
905, I'm en route. Sorry, you spoke to 951 as well.
Yes, I did.
Definitely.
6630.
6724.
You know why?
What?
What's your real name?
What am I being detained
Put your feet in the
for?
car, please.
What am I being
I'm
detained
gonna
for?
roll the window down. Put your feet in it. I want you running again. Ah. Why?
Okay.